100 years ago, workers broke rock by hand to carve a new rail line through the Perth Hills, with reports of gold being found as they cut their way through the hillside. Entering from the north of the now abandoned train line, I would be out to set the record straight. It was a beautiful walk along the abandoned train line that once serviced the logging industry in the 1800s. Nearing the marker pin, I noticed white quartz in the gravel matrix. Firing up the Gold Monster 2000, I hit the slopes of the original ground that was cut into to build the train line. The ground looked promising with lots of mineralisation and changes in soil colour. Quickly realising there would be lots of rail iron, I wanted to dig every target to capture any lost history from the old timers back then. Kept hitting tin. I came across this fracture in the bedrock that had some form of white chalky material. It was giving off a wobble on the detector. Digging further into the material, I was excited to know what was giving off a signal. It looked very interesting. But alas, it disappeared to nothing. I came across a large protruding section of quartz, but no signals. I'm not sure what this slag is from. Joining the rail beams? Any train nerds out there know the answer? Leave a comment. Trekking back up the opposite side, I only found more rail iron. Following a hunch, I found a little rock outcrop at the top of the hill and found this hot rock. Video to come. Well, that's it, legends. A heap of junk and no gold. But what an adventure.